I'm here today with Richard Morehouse, who is the director of the Yorkshire Event Centre in Harrogate, which is one of the largest exhibition centres in Britain, home to the Great Yorkshire Show and many other shows through the year. Richard, how long have you been at the YEC now?
I've done about 13 years now.
Wow, okay, and you've worked up to becoming the director.
Yes, I came in, my original role was venue manager back in 2011, and then back end of last year got the role as events director, covering all the events across the showground.
Fantastic. Just give us an idea of the scope of the shows that you do here. So we've just had the Great Holiday Home Show, which I know is a big one, but what are the sorts of other shows that you're running here?
We range anything from flower shows to woodworking shows, tool fairs, lots of trade exhibitions, potato shows, ice cream shows. We do public events as well. We do indoor fun fairs. We do also a variety of Christmas events, fairs, sales, all sorts of different things, truck auctions, all sorts. We cover all sorts across the events industry.
Right, and you've got two big halls. What's the square footage of the halls that you've got?
So we've got Hall 1, which is 4,320 square metres, and Hall 2, which is 1,950 square metres. So just about 6,500 square metres all in all.
So you can handle just about anything then here, yeah?
Yeah, some pretty big events.
Okay. Now, that keeps you pretty busy, and it also keeps us at It's Clean pretty busy as well, because we do all the cleaning for the Yorkshire Event Centre through the year, and which we have done for, I think, 10, 11, 12 years now. So why did you choose to work with It's Clean?
I think it was important that we had a local contractor who was able to deliver the appropriate services for us, a good quality cleaning service, local, regular, and able to supply the staff we need on a regular basis.
Right.
Our events vary in size, and they also vary in duration and timings, and everything vary across the board, so we need a flexible supplier who can meet our demand as and when it's needed.
Yes, because sometimes you send us an order for 3 or 4 cleaners, and sometimes you send us an order for 30 or 40 cleaners.
Yep, that's true. We do. It does vary from just a little tidy up clean right through to a big bulk out after an event, shifting tons and tons of rubbish and cleaning all the toilets right across the site.
Yeah, so quite demanding, yeah. But I know my team, they love working here because they love dealing with with you guys and also the exhibitors, but it's a fun place to work as well. It's got a great vibe to it.
Absolutely, yeah, and no 2 days are the same, to be fair, so that's really special.
Yeah.
It's a unique place to work. We've got the beautiful countryside outside as well, so it's a lovely environment to work in.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So you said that prior to us you had a national contractor, I think, in place, and they were not able to give you the flexibility and the response times that you were getting from ourselves, a local provider.
Yeah, it's always tricky, I guess, using a national provider. If somebody calls in sick or not available, you need a quick response to be able to react and fill the gap, and obviously somebody local can do that.
And that's what we were able to do for you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. Well, it's been a fantastic relationship. We've really enjoyed working with you, and let's hope for another 10 years. So Richard, we're in Hall 1 now, which was built in, what year was this built?
2016 it was finished.
2016, right.
Yeah.
How long did it take to build?
It was just short of a year it took to build.
Yeah. Okay, and then how big is it?
4,320 square metres.
You know to the actual square metre how big it is?
Absolutely,
okay.
yeah.
So as we're walking around now, we can get a size of the scope of it. So I know that we've cleaned for you here with ice cream fairs, combine harvesters, indoor fun fairs. It's a fantastic space, isn't it?
It is very flexible, it's pillar free, it's got a minimum clear working height of 6 metres, so we can accommodate pretty much any event in here.
Yeah.
It's fantastic, it works well with Hall 2 as well, it works well on its own. It's got all the facilities in here, loads of toilets around the building as well. So it's great for events. We've got lots of loading doors for people getting in and out, loading in all the equipment and that sort of thing. So yeah, it's a brilliant facility.
And from my point of view, when I'm coming here to work, just through there's a cafeteria which makes great coffee. Through those windows There's the most amazing view of the viaduct. So not only is it a great space, it's actually a beautiful place to work as well.